Life is a lot like these fireworks. It's a beautiful, short, and unpredictable journey to shine brightly and leave a beautiful mark on this world. Sometimes you have to go through the fire first. You have to endure the darkness, the pressure, the heat before you can finally show your true colors. Everyone sees your light when you finally explode in the night sky. They look up, they smile, and they admire your beauty. But the truth is, no one knows the darkness you had to fight through to get there. Nobody sees the silent struggles, the lonely nights, or the moments when you completely lost. People only celebrate your final show, not the long journey behind it. So, if you are going through a dark time right now, please don't give up. Don't lose hope. You are not broken. You are just waiting for your moment. Your time to bloom is definitely coming. Trust the process, even when it hurts. Believe in yourself. Keep pushing forward, and very soon you will light up your own sky. Thank you for watching and stay strong. Subscribe for more.